Hello viewers, let's continue our SQL series, and now we have to solve one more question on sorting and grouping, which is the number of unique subject taught by each teacher. Okay, so this is the question of LeetCode 2356. So here is given a teacher table where is column name is given teacher ID, subject ID and depth ID. Okay, and the type has been given, which is int and int. Okay, and here is given that subject ID and depth ID is in primary key because they both, after combining both the IDs, they become a primary key. Okay, means the subject ID and depth ID com combination is a primary key. Okay, each row in this table indicates that the teacher which teacher ID teaches the subject ID is a department depth ID. Okay, so you have to write the solution to calculate the number of unique subject each teacher teaches in a university. Okay, so you just have to return the result in any order. So here is given a teacher ID, subject ID and depth ID. Okay, so the teacher ID having 1 can teach subject ID 2, 2 and 3. Okay, so you just have to count the number of subject, which is 2 subject that they can taught, which is 2, 2 and 3. Okay, and for teacher ID 2, he can teach the 4 subject because all the subject ID has a different ID. Okay, so I hope you understand that what this question is telling. You just have to count it and return the value. Okay, so let's try write the code here. First you have to select teacher ID. Okay, first you have to select teacher ID. Okay, I will write this after the whole code. From teacher table, which is group by, okay, group by teacher ID. Okay, you just have to select teacher ID comma count distinct subject ID as count. Okay, so you just have to select the teacher ID and you just have to count the number of different subject ID. Okay, from teacher table, and you just have to group by the teacher ID. Okay, so let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit it. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.